Are you buying your dream home soon? Let's give you some things that you should and shouldn't do. So you're taking a look, you're ready to buy that dream home. Maybe you're shopping for that house. Maybe you're getting ready to do it in 2 or 3 months. For the love of God, don't buy the fancy car. The average car payment in America is about $700 right now. So $700 could be $100,000 to $120,000 in purchasing power. So if you're looking to buy a house, don't rack up your credit cards. Don't go on that dream vacation. And please don't buy a car, okay? Here's why. So let's do the simple math. Let's say you make 10 grand a month, right? 10 grand a month, if you take the average back-end ratio on a loan, we can explain that later, you're about $4,500. That's got to be all your bills plus taxes and insurance. So let's say the mortgage payment you qualify on 10 grand a month is $3,500. Well, if you go buy that $700 car, that could drop you down to $2,800. That could literally take you from 400 and something to the high twos to 300 in one fell swoop based on where rates and taxes are in certain areas. So do you love that $280,000 house enough to drive that BMW? Or would you rather have a nicer house where you sleep at night, where you're raising your kids, where you're painting the walls, and then buy that fancy car after? Because to be honest with you, as much as terrible as this sounds, auto lenders frankly don't give a shit about your debt to income in most instances, because half the time, the last 5 cars I bought, they've never once verified my income. Now, mind you, I make a pretty good living doing this job, but if you've got great credit, they're never going to question you. You could be at 100% maxed out on everything. You'd be driving that Porsche 911 and living in a 1-bedroom condo in Compton. Is that what you want? Or do you want to buy that nice house where you can have a nice yard or condo, townhome, if that's what you like, have a place for your dogs, have a place for your kids, do all those things. So please, 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 don't max out your credit cards. If you need to call Dave Ramsey, do it, okay? He's got the baby steps program, is great. Just don't take his investment advice. Number 2, obviously, don't go on that big fancy vacation. House first, house first. Keep that in mind. Everyone thinks they need a $700 car. I drive past apartment complexes, and there's $1,000 truck payments living in a 1-bedroom apartment. Boggles my mind. And, of course, do not go rack up those bills and buy overpriced cars. You're going to regret it. Now, if you want to know what you do qualify for based on your current debt load and how we can help you structure it, whether you're ready a month from now, 6 months from now, or 2 years ago, happy to back you into the numbers. Let you know what you can do today, what you can do based on what rates are. And then if you happen to have bought that car because maybe you needed it, let's figure out what it's going to take to get you into that house, right? We all make mistakes. Believe me, I've had dumb car payments too. So that's why I say this and I preach it, okay? Reach out to me with questions. Look forward to helping you.